Our recipe today is a smoky, tangy barbecue sauce that's a hit at any grill party. This low-sugar version still packs a punch with its blend of flavors. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of homemade ketchup, 2 butter cubes, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 chopped small onion, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, 3 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and for some heat, a dash of cayenne pepper, black pepper, and chili powder. To make the sauce, simply combine all ingredients in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Remember, the flavors will intensify as the sauce cools, so don't be afraid if it seems a bit sharp while still hot, and there you have it, a barbecue sauce that's flavorful and low in sugar. A mouth-watering, healthy condiment that will take your meals to the next level. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Give this recipe a try and let us know your opinion in the comments below. Please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and healthy tips. Craving some Asian flavors? This low-sugar teriyaki sauce is just the thing. Let's dive right into the ingredients. You'll need a cup of water, half a cup of soy sauce or tamari if you're gluten-free, a tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now for the method. Combine all ingredients in a saucepan over medium heat. As it starts to simmer, mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with a little water to make a slurry. Gradually pour this into the sauce, stirring continuously. This will thicken your sauce to that perfect glossy teriyaki consistency. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then remove from heat and let it cool. And there you have it, a low-sugar teriyaki sauce that doesn't compromise on taste. Now you can enjoy your stir-fry with this delicious and healthier teriyaki sauce. Let's not forget about salad dressings. Here are 3 low-sugar options to try. First up, we have a zesty lemon vinaigrette. This dressing is a delightful blend of lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and fresh ground pepper. Simply whisk these ingredients together and voila, you have a tangy dressing that's perfect for any leafy green salad. Next, we have a creamy avocado dressing, a fan favorite. This dressing is a blend of ripe avocados, Greek yogurt, fresh squeezed lime juice, minced garlic, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Blend these ingredients in a food processor until they're smooth and creamy. This dressing adds a rich, velvety touch to your salads, and it's packed with healthy fats from the avocado. Our third and final dressing is a classic Italian dressing. This is a simple yet flavorful combination of extra virgin olive oil, white vinegar, minced garlic, dried oregano, and fresh ground pepper. Whisk all these ingredients together for a dressing that can elevate any salad to gourmet level. Each of these dressings is not only low in sugar, but also easy to make and packed with flavor. They can be prepared in advance and stored in the fridge for up to a week. This means you can have a delicious homemade salad dressing at your fingertips whenever you need it, making it easier than ever to enjoy a healthy, satisfying salad. Remember, the key to a great salad dressing is balance. You want a blend of acidity, oil, and flavor. Don't be afraid to tweak these recipes to suit your palate. If you prefer a tangier dressing, add a bit more vinegar or lemon juice. If you like a richer dressing, you might add a touch more oil. It's all about creating a dressing that makes your taste buds sing. So, there you have it. 3 low-sugar salad dressings that are not only delicious but also easy to make and perfect for keeping your salads exciting and healthy. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Give these recipes a try and let us know your opinion in the comments below. Please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and healthy tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking. Ever felt overwhelmed while hunting for diabetic-friendly and weight-loss recipes that are not just healthy but also delicious? You're not alone. It's a common struggle to find meals that cater to specific dietary needs, yet are still enjoyable and satisfying. The challenge of marrying health and taste is real, but it doesn't have to be daunting. Managing diabetes and weight gain doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Well, the search ends here. Welcome to our channel, Diabetics and Weight Management Food Recipes, which is dedicated to bringing you easy, tasty, and most importantly healthy recipes. Join us for nutritious diabetics tasty dishes, simple ingredient and easy to cook. Subscribe now for mouth-watering diabetic-friendly salads, soups, meals, and delectable desserts. We will upload at least 3 videos every week so you can feel the joy of healthy tasty dishes from around the world. Discover a world of culinary delights tailored to support your health goals without compromising taste. From hearty breakfast options to satisfying dinners and delectable desserts, our recipes are crafted with wholesome ingredients and mindful of the glycemic impact. Today we're diving into a simple low-carb salad recipe that's perfect for those managing diabetes and aiming for weight loss. This dish is not just nutritious, but also delicious, making it a perfect balance between health and taste. Are you ready to start? Let's dive in. Firstly, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a handful of fresh spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, a juicy lemon, a ripe avocado, and a dash of olive oil. Now let's get cooking. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly. While it's draining, peel and mince the garlic. Then slice the lemon in half, and gently squeeze to extract the juice. Be sure to remove any seeds that sneak their way out. Next, slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Combine the spinach, garlic, lemon juice, and avocado in a bowl. Drizzle the olive oil over everything, then give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to let the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy meal ready to be enjoyed. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. With this recipe, we've shown how delightful it can be. Remember, every bite is a step towards better health. Craving more? Subscribe to our channel for a wide range of diabetic-friendly and weight loss recipes. Together we can make healthy eating a delightful experience.